atibatike zvechopu-chopu.
Ladies and gentlemen, ndadzoka zvekare. Paita nyaya dziya dziri kuda kunzwika nemunhu wese dzinova nyaya dzema-updates ekumatare edzimhosva. Vanhu vari kuchallenge kuti pakaitwa sei pama-constitution amendments apo. Amendment number 1 what number 2 number 3 dzisidzo vanhu vanoda kunge vachinzwisisa, but inini handinyanya kuda kufarira kutaura dzimwe nyaya nemuromo wangu. Ndinoda kuti ndingokuconnecta direct kumagweta, tichinzwa kuti magweta vari kuti kudii. Gweta tune into clear ndizve so vanhu vada kunzwa kuti uri kuti kudii.
I wasn't aware that finally the Constitutional Court released a ruling on our court case where we were challenging the ZANU-PF resolution number 1 of Mutare. Actually, the ruling was made a few weeks ago, but it was published yesterday and I had not seen it. I believe that the Constitutional Court there's no mistake about it, because if you look, our application was based on Section 85 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe under the heading of Enforcement of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms. Section 85, paragraph 1 clearly says, as any citizen is entitled to approach a court when there is a likelihood that the rights that are enshrined under Chapter 4 are likely to be infringed. So for the court to say our case was premature, they're actually defeating Section 85(1). They're going against the Constitution, because the Constitution does not say wait until there is an infringement. We're not there. We're not supposed to sit when illegalities are being passed through Parliament, like what has happened with Cape 3. This is not what the Constitution of Zimbabwe says. So this is another case where the court is engaging in avoidance to make avoiding to make a ruling on a sensitive matter. If you look, there were two cases. The one that we filed ourselves and the one that was filed by those guys from Blawe. Those guys from Blawe were given direct access by consent. Remember, ZANU-PF was not fighting those guys, but they said they were fighting our application because of what we were requesting in our draft order was radical. We were saying the president has failed his constitutional duties according to Section 90, and we were saying he has violated his oath of office under the 30th schedule. So, and we're further saying the president under Section 97 must be removed from office for violating the Constitution of Zimbabwe. So we can see that the court is running away from making a ruling. For how long shall the Constitutional Court of Zimbabwe avoid making a ruling? Already we've got two rogue arms of government, the executive and the legislature. Now, instead of the third arm of government, the judiciary, stepping in and stopping this madness, it is running away. The future of Zimbabwe is bleak as long as we've got an overbearing executive that has rendered all other arms of government defunct. The future is bleak. This is retrogressive. We're being thrown back into the Stone Ages. There is no enlightenment in all this. No one is benefiting from these 3 amendments that we've gone through so far. But we are pushing and will continue to fight. Remember, we're already challenging the independence of the judiciary. We're challenging CAP 1. Remember, CAP 1, the president grabbed powers to appoint judges of the senior courts. So where you have the Chief Justice, the Chief Justice, the Judge President being appointed by the president. Now, how can you expect judiciary independence and impartiality? This is so completely undermined public confidence in the judiciary. In CAP 2, the president removed the clause on running mates and also grabbed more powers to just promote judges at any time. So you find that members of the judiciary are beholden to the executive, and CAP 3 has removed the interview process altogether. So this is where we are. We said the court has failed, the judiciary is failing us, it's failing the people of Zimbabwe. And as much as we continue to fight, public confidence in the judiciary is almost zero. This is the reality of it. I just wanted to make a quick response I saw that there was a lot of coverage of our case with my colleague Kambako yesterday. I had not seen it. So this is my response. Thank you.
Right, thank you Gweta. Ndichazokubata tichinzwa mamwe ma updates nekuti muchange muchizozvifambisa sei, but vanhu varoda kunzwa kuti change and stuff and all those things. Vanhu vaneta, you know, people are sick and tired, and vanhu vanotadza kuziva kuti todi, do you know kuti kuna munhu kuti akatonzwa kuti kuno challenge nyaya dzakaita sedzidzi anovhunduka anofunga kuti ndinenge ndabvura hombe kana ndapara hombe ndikona kutodimbirwa musoro and stuff, ndo pfungwa dzichiri nevanhu. But thank you so much nekungojekesa nekuzivisa muri yeZimbabwe pane zvinhu zvakaita sezvizvi. But zandaenda zvangu muri yeZimbabwe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Vabatikira pachivhitivhiti vese aiwaka Mwari vakuitire zvihombe. One day zvamunoshuwira zvese zvichazadzikiswa and ngazvizadzikiswe. Ndinonamatira munamato yese iri kunamatwa nemaZimbabweans anditi iri positive, iri right, yezvinhu zvakanaka kuti ngainzwike. Right. Ndisati ndaenda ndauva ndashandisa mukana kuzivisa muZimbabwean wese ari munyika yeSouth Africa ine ari kudawo kuregisterwa company nekuvhurwa FNB business account asina work permit kana start permit, angori nepassport chete iri valid. Bata company inonzi Education Research inotungamirirwa nana Mukoma Owen dzinova idzo shasha pakuita basa irori. Tora screenshot, namba dziripo pa fly apo, vanokubatsira uri kwauri ikoko, ivo vari kwavari ikoko. Saka feel free to contact him.